Hey everybody, this is Sackman, and today I signed into my old account, my first YouTube channel called Chuck Roaring, and we're going to be reacting to one of my plush videos, my first plush video. The first one, it's my first one. And I just edited the title to I Was 10, okay, XD. So this is it right here. I was starting to watch it, I said maybe I should react to this, so I'm going to do it. Here it is, the cringiest thing ever.
Hello everybody, my name is Mini Kyle.
Oh my god.
And I'm going to play a game with you.
Oh my. I get it. The room was messy back then. I know, it's crazy. Look how clean it looks like Timmy, but that is Mini Kyle, everybody. This is crazy how old this is. When was this made? Let me check. 2014, okay. That was like 10 or 11.
Me and him always fight.
And it turns red for some reason.
Such as now, I always beat the chicken, just like in Family Guy.
Yeah.
You cannot watch. Well, I mean, you can still watch, but they're just gonna
I don't
fight.
like how this video is sideways. It's weird. Oh my, I still have that chicken plush. I used it in the video.
Oh, there you are. I thought you left.
I'm right here, Mini Kyle.
How does this thing work now? I'm gonna film you now. What are you doing? Hey, give me back my phone. Hey, Bud, it's not your phone. How do you use this?
Buzz? I think it said Bud.
Okay, so...
Bud, like Bud Light beer.
Give me a... Give me back my phone.
Oh my god, it's me.
Sorry
Look how young I am. I'm so cute. Okay, I'm weird.
Here's our new friend, Tiger.
Alright, pause. The tiger's name in the series, he hasn't been in the series yet, but I chose his name to be Avalon. And if you play Little Big Planet, you'll know why. Because he's orange and Avalon has orange hair.
Funny.
Smell funny.
Fart. No, I didn't. Oh my gosh. It's Mini Kyle.
Yeah.
I'm here to save the day. Wanna dance? Sure. What song? Any song. What about this one? I'll hum a song and you sing to it. And dance.
Do-do-do-do-do-do. Ah.
What about this?
Good old times. What the hell?
What kind of song is this? Hold on, I'll get to it. Wait, what are you doing?
Is that sex?
Are you doing the noises for Sun Goes Nuts? Yeah.
What?
What? Horn.
Did you say beat?
This is going on YouTube. Hey, it's already on YouTube. Duh. Hey, how many views do you think we're gonna get?
Hundreds.
Hey,
Hundreds.
there's a trick on YouTube. If somebody watches the same video over and over again, it counts as views.
Hundreds.
This video 100 times in a row. That's
108 actually. I lied.
Isn't that amazing? I just had a big Dr. Pepper.
What the hell? That is burp? Okay, honestly, for the Sun Goes Nuts video, I was young and I was stupid and I reloaded the page like 50 times. So all those views don't count, so I'm a cheater. So, yeah. Don't worry, you can't reload pages anymore. They took away that ability, so that's fine.
I think I need some more. Here's what they look like.
I still drink Dr. Pepper sometimes.
Hey, when's that chicken coming back? Let me see the camera. No! What's wrong with you? You shut up.
3 minutes in. Just kiss me?
Oops, that's not supposed to be there.
What? This is weird.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi.
The name's MK.
Alright, by the way, I'm sorry. Some of my plush characters actually appear in this video, so I'll point them out when they show on screen. So honestly, you already met Mini Kyle, so let's see who else. And, alright, so I used some of these characters back then, and we're going to see which ones I still use today. That's going to be cool.
Dance? Sure thing.
You okay?
Are you alright?
Do you need help?
Yeah, I'm fine. Why are you using pencils for me? Because you don't know how to walk by yourself. What about you coming to school all the time? What do you really think about that? Not really funny, but...
I used to bring Mini Kyle to school all the time, and I always got him taken away from me. It's sad. They kept like, stop bringing him to school. Because I had this desk thing, and I had like Mini Kyle's house in my desk. And I know it sounds stupid. What's wrong with me? You're like, what the hell, Sackman? But honestly, I was 10 years old. I was in 5th grade. Yeah. Let me think. He's 12 to 11. Yeah, I'd be 10 or 11 when I had him in 5th grade.
I think Miss Carlisle's pretty
By the way, I have like 4 days of 8th grade left, so I'm going to be graduating 8th grade. And I'm going to be able to make videos all over the summer, so that's nice.
neat. She's the best teacher in the world. I guess you're right.
Who? Who's the best teacher in the world? Let me hear that.
About you coming to school all the time. What do you really think about that? Not really funny, but I think Miss Carlisle's pretty neat. She's the best teacher in the world.
Oh.
I guess you're right. She's really nice. What about my friends?
Yeah,
Is
she was a
anyone
nice
listening?
teacher.
No, probably only the viewers. What about that one kid, Mystical? That's a girl, not a boy. I never said anything about boys. Well, I know she's
I don't
in your
remember
class.
her, actually.
Shh, not so loud.
She's in my
How's it
grade.
already 4 minutes? How do you know what time it is? Because I'm looking. Where? Oh, there you are. I know some other kids in your class like. Hey, why do you bleep those names out? Because no one else can know. It's my classroom, and there's only a few days left of school.
Oh,
Really?
really?
So you can spend the whole summer vacation with me? Yes. And make a new video every single day?
Okay, I can spend the entire summer with a plush monkey. Was I like mentally insane back then? I had problems, okay?
Probably, maybe, you never know. So you can have like 100 videos. It's gonna be so awesome.
I quit this
What
channel
about
already,
the
though.
Godzilla game. I'm not gonna probably do that. I'm gonna do video game things. Yeah. Legos. Yeah. What about episodes? Like a movie pirate. I probably ask that one pirate. Wanna go find him? Sure.
A pirate? Hey, Captain
Zach,
Rosenberg?
how you doing?
That's
Not
Zach.
much. Hey Patrick, how you doing? Hi.
Brian, I saw Brian. Yes, I have him.
Oh, what do you want, Kyle? I just want to know.
I have him right now, I swear.
Sure thing.
I have him like
This
right
is
next to me,
video
I'm not
recording?
even lying.
I probably, no, let me say, 5 minutes and 7 seconds. How did you know?
I'm sitting on my treasure chest right
I
now.
guess you're right. Now, do you know anything about the cures? I don't know. Hey, guys. How you
Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back.
doing? I don't know, but what are you doing? Nothing. Here, come on, pirate. We're gonna go on an adventure together. But I can't. I don't have no pencils attached to me. I'll drag you. Hey, kid, watch out. Oops, sorry, son. It's okay, Mini Kyle. Hey, you call me your dad.
Just beat him.
Shh, don't watch again. This is another fighting scene.
Okay, it seems like whenever they fight, it turns red.
Watch out.
No?
I'm sorry.
What is all that stuff?
Mateys. Oh, 6 minutes.
What is all that stuff? Like, what are those weird sounds?
Yeah. You know, their season finale was today, right? Yeah, well, on, May 16th, I'd say. How do you know what day it is? I don't know. I'm just guessing. What are you doing, Mini Kyle? Nothing much, Patrick. Want to go on an adventure with me? Oh, sure. Let me just pack my things. No need to pack. Let's go now. Let's go. We gotta go now. Let's go. Where are we gonna drive? I know.
Let's go.
We have a stool. Let's go. Do. How long is this gonna run for? Probably 30 minutes. With stuffed animal adventures. Let's drive in this stool. How about driving an actual car? Good idea. Let's go.
Go down, really.
This is as close as we can find.
Cat in the Hat.
So that plane.
I knew I had him somewhere.
Hey, Cat in the Hat. You're Mini Kyle. Hey, you're not Mini Kyle. You're the real. You can borrow my car. Good. There's 3 cars. There's only 2. Kyle, you lied. Oh my God! Just get in one of the cars.
It's Marvin.
Mini Kyle,
So,
you sit in the back because you're the biggest.
Mini Kyle's mom.
That's not nice. Why don't you just set your pencil across?
Let me tell you
I'm
down.
not gonna probably bring any more members. Let's go. You sit there because you're the second person. Patrick, you're.
Is this thing on still? Hello? Are we good?
That's not nice. Why don't you just sit your
I'm back. Sorry.
We're not gonna probably bring any.
I was in the bathroom.
Let's go.
Going to the bathroom.
Because you're the second person. Patrick, you're fat, so you sit there.
10:48.
Hey, Frog, where are you going? I'm
Frog.
gonna go to the grocery store. Care to drive
So
the bus?
clean.
Sure.
His eyes have the black stuff in it.
Where do you want to go for our next adventure? How about the bed? Sure thing. You know, there's a lot of familiar people in this, but I just can't put my paw on it. Whoa! What's going on?
Ooh, God, they all just died or something.
What the heck are you doing here? Sorry, Bear, I didn't see you. Is everyone all right?
Dr. Bear?
I'm fine. I wasn't asking you.
No, I don't know, maybe. The hell?
Yeah, there's something wrong, isn't there? Are you pointing the camera the wrong way? Which way are you supposed to be on now? I don't know. Which way
It's
are you
me.
supposed to be on? Wait a minute, you're pointing the camera the wrong way. Let me fix that for you.
Oh my God.
I was gonna have it that
You
way.
look so stupid.
Hey, Bear, you wanna come on the adventure with us?
I'm sorry.
How about you, Kitty? Sure, but I gotta go make out with my husband first.
What?
Your husband's dead. Hi, I'm coming.
She doesn't even care. Your husband's dead. Meh, who cares?
Stick guy. My name isn't Stick Guy. Hey, well, you look like
Move
a
finger.
stick.
Yeah, it's Dr. Bear.
On an adventure?
Dr. Bear, Frog, Mini
Hey,
Kyle.
why isn't the car starting? I know, because we crashed. Gotta go get that other car.
It's a bin.
Ouch!
What the hell?
Kyle, I think you're holding me the wrong way.
Life.
Still holding me the wrong way.
Cartoon it or something.
You're still holding me the wrong way.
What was that?
Wow.
That wasn't real, hopefully. Heck. What is going on behind camera?
Hop in. I got the new car. Hey, I'm sitting in the back. No, I am. You're fat. What are you talking fat?
I should remake this.
What are you talking about me? We're gonna need some money to make our trip. I know just who to ask. Follow me. Oh, I guess I'm gonna go by myself. Don't ask. Can you guess which stuffed animal can give us money?
Zebra.
Look around.
Pup? I see pup.
If you guessed Mr. Krabs, then you are correct.
Oh, Mr. Krabs, of course. He's rich.
Hey, Zebra
Black
Monkey.
Dog.
Hey, what do you bring all these people for?
I see Bob and King Leo.
Daddy,
Green Dragon.
going fast.
Brody.
You want me to give you money? How much are you gonna give us? Probably 1 cent. Works. Oh, what's Chubby doing in there? Oh, why do people keep calling me Chubby? Because you are. Who said that?
That's Smith. Or
Hey,
Scott.
wait a minute. What's wrong, Mini Kyle? Have you seen my wife?
The pig? Right there. I see her.
I don't. Hey, is that her right there? Yeah. Honey, I'm home.
Look how different she looks.
What's for dinner? You're not my wife. You're my wife's sister.
What?
Aw, that's thanks for the compliment, by the way.
Did she die?
That's what I thought. I'll find them.
That was actually Taylor. That wasn't her sister.
There she is. I see her.
I think. Let me check.
Mini Kyle wants you. Good. Can I take Marvin with me? Sure thing.
Marvin.
Hey, you want to bring Otter? He's teaching where babies come from.
What?
Would it be best to leave him behind? No, too late. I used all my energy on that golden bar.
Huh.
Out of energy.
Well, let me be right back really quick. I'm back.
It's like 12 o'clock in the morning when I did this. Really tired. But that doesn't mean any matters. It's been 11 minutes already. You guys are going to have to sleep in the other car tonight. I can. Well, maybe we should find somebody to fix it. Oh, God, I thought I was going to gag. Why? I saw your underpants.
Choke on it. What?
Hey, why do you wear Barbie underpants? I don't know. Does anyone here know how to fix cars?
Marvin?
Who said that? Oh, me. I'm gonna engineer it.
No, you're a doctor. What the heck? So retarded. I'm sorry.
What are you drinking pop at this time for? Oh, cocaine.
What?
Let's go.
He said cocaine. I heard that.
Hey guys, have you ever had the feeling that this episode's gonna end like right now? Yeah. Bye bye everybody. We'll see you in the next video, and that's coming out next.
Oh, it's over. So yeah, guys, that was that's a plush video I made. Late Halloween bloopers. What's this?
Kyle, are you ready for dinner? Yes, just a second.
Alright, first of all, I feel bad for the girl that was recording me. She's probably like calling me stupid in her head. But, yeah. I don't really, she doesn't do videos anymore after a while. I felt so bad for her making her do all this for me.
No, I'm Kyle. It's time for dinner. Oh, fine. Let's just go eat. Have you seen my family? Yeah, they're right over here waiting. Kyle, it's time.
She's probably like saying, why did they film with an older kid that has like freaking problems or something, you know? There's nothing wrong with me, don't worry. The Itchy. Okay. Sackman cartoon 1 year ago. Who remembers this? I do. Do I get set on fire or something? There, see? I got set on fire. Gauge. Wait. Oh my god, that's funny. Alright, well I guess that's it for this reaction video. If you guys want me to react to any more videos, then I will. And I'll see you guys next time. And like, comment, subscribe, and stuff. Have a good day. Bye.